Have you noticed something weird happening lately? Like all of a sudden, people are actually buying house instead of just complaining about rent. You are not imagining it. First-time buyers just made up 35% of all home sales, and that's the highest it's been since 2020. People are literally leaving rent behind the numbers we haven't seen in years. Today, I want to break down why this is happening right now, and more importantly, what it means for you if you are still sitting on the sideline wondering if it's your turn. Stick around because this might change your whole timeline. First, let's talk about why this is happening right now and not 2 years ago. You see, prices have actually been dropping 7 months in a row. There's actually stuff to choose from instead of five people fighting over one listing. Basically, renters who've been waiting are noticing. Here's the thing that is pushing people over the edge. You see, rent does not build you anything. You could pay rent for 10 years and own 0% of that property at the end of it. Meanwhile, your landlord, they are the ones building equity of your monthly check. With the price softening and more homes on the market, a lot of people are doing the math and realizing the mortgage payments close to what you are already paying in rent could actually be building them something instead of building their landlord portfolios. Now, I'm not going to pretend rates are amazing right now. Yes, they are, but here is what people are figuring out. They are not waiting for the perfect rate anymore. They are using programs like FHA loans, which let you buy with as little as 3.5% down. They are looking at markets that are insanely overpriced, where affordability is actually working in their favor. People are getting creative. Buy now at today's rates, refinance later if rates drop. That mindset shift alone is a huge part of why this exodus is happening. If you have been telling yourself, I will buy when things calm down, I want you to really sit with this. Things are calming down. Right now, this is the calm. The buyers moving right now aren't waiting for perfect moments that does not exist. They are taking advantage of the moments that's actually here. Here is the bottom line. This isn't some far off someday thing anymore. People just like you are actually doing this right now in real numbers. The only question left is whether you are going to be part of this wave or you are still renting and watching everyone else making the jump. Hey, if this got you thinking, subscribe to the channel. I break this stuff down every week for first-time buyers who are serious about making the jump. And if you want to know exactly how to get your credit score ready before you make that move, I've got a video for you right there.